Are you selling this, brother?
Yes.
Oh, unfortunately, both pairs were fake. Were very off. Iba rin yung confidence na yung suot natin, legit. What's up, guys? We're here sa Getting Story. Pagka pinako, may energy na akong bumenta today. Let's go, guys.
Okay lang yung tsura.
Oo naman, boss. Meron naman yan personally. Bumili ako. Bigyan kita ng ano, boss. Freebie na may on-cloud socks pa ba tayo? Pa-check nga para on-cloud, boss. Try mo yung puting socks ng on. Limited lang kasi, ano yan, collaboration between on,
Ito wala sa Singapore.
Revolve, and Forward. Opo, limited siya sa US.
Kaya na natin din.
Pass nila, sir.
Sige. So yun, guys, sold yung ano, MVP seller natin, yung ano, Cloud Nova Form 2, limited, Revolve, and Forward collab with On. Sold for 15,000. 15,500 pala, sorry. 15,500. Boss, thank you, salamat po. Ayun guys, bigyan tayo ng freebie na socks kay Bossing. Mabilis ka usap eh. Yung mga hindi tayo pinahirapan, saka mabilis ka usap, dapat may freebie yan. Okay guys, so yun, kinuha na ni Bossing yung dalawang human meat shirts natin. We sold this one for 10,500. And sold na ni Boss yung ano, isa, which is sold for 12,000. Bagay na bagay kay Bossing eh. So yun, thank you boss, salamat. And
Ito ma'am yung extra laces.
ayun.
Sige. If you feel na mag-green, ganun. Yes.
Kailangan dapat ibalik mo ko doon.
Hindi ako lang alam pick up eh.
Kasi daw pa nagpipick up si Madam ano eh, no?
May bago ka, Jen.
So sila Ma'am Emmy, nag-pick up sila ng pre-order nila na Puma Ballet. Nakuha nila yun I think na 10.5. Then ngayon nakita nila yung bago natin na display na Cloud Nova. Tapos nag-pre-order na naman din sila para kay Sir. So nasold natin ng 50,000 each.
Zendaya yung tawag sa women's. First on mo? First na on cloud. Compatible, no? Iba yung comfort na on eh.
Anong brand name niya?
On cloud. On cloud ang brand name niya. Ngayon, yung founder niyan is an athlete of Nike before. Tapos pinitch niya kay Nike yung shoe. Si Nike, linowball siya, mababa yung offer. So ginawa niya, nag-start siya ng sarili niyang company. Ginawa nila si Roger Federer. Sobrang laki na ng on. Global. Dami nang bumili ng ganyan.
Ito na sa akin.
Saan? Oh, yan. Ito sa akin, mas okay ito kaysa sa black.
Mas bet ko.
Ano yung boss ba?
Laguna.
Laguna! Sa South! Oh, malapit lang kami doon. Umuwi rin ako doon malapit eh. Minsan, meron kaming bahay sa Muntinlupa. Sakay sa Laguna, ito. Videographer ko from Binyan.
Sabi niyan, kailan ba?
Kalamba sila, boss. Doon tayo nagsiswimming. At saka gusto ko doon yung Mernels. Mga taga-South lang may alam yung Mernels na cake, guys. Ang sarap yung chocolate cake. Sa Kalamba lang meron nun.
Kukunin nito.
Ako din, madam. Nico.
Simon, sir. Simon.
Nice to meet you po, bossing. Sorry namin, madam.
Shri.
Shireen, nice to meet you po. Biyahe pa kayo yan, boss, no? Pakalamba.
Ito talaga
No?
yung pinunta namin dito.
Ito talaga.
Talaga? Punta pa kayo dito. Well, thank you po, salamat. Okay, sold na kila Sir Simon and Ma'am Shireen yung 3 pairs total, no? Dalawang on-cloud, isang on-cloud black ivory, isang on-cloud tilt lavender, and meron pa tayong isang Nike V2K metallic silver with free get nice cap.
Thank you.
From all the way from Calamba, dumayo daw sila dito sa Green Hills just for this, just for get nice. So, salamat. Sige, check natin. Are you selling this, brother?
Yes po.
Okay.
Kasi kailangan. Ito po, J13 cloth.
Pati ito check
Oo.
din. Kaya mo na itong 13. Yung size tag na kasi bro, purado na yung size tag. Kasi nga, well, understandable kasi it's an old release na size tag. You had this check na rin.
Hindi po po.
Parang first time. Meron lang akong concern. Actually, I'll tell you my concern. So yung stitches kasi nito, nakita na yung stitches ng J4 na yun. If you can see, sobrang even yan, diba? Perfect, diba? Actually, yung stitches nito, yung nakita ko before that were released, hindi siya perfect. So, yun lang yung isang first tell sign ko. Aside from that, it's hard to check the the size tag. Usually, that's what I check also. The fonts. I recommend you have it ano rin, brother. Authenticated by professional authentication. Medyo, syempre kami, we're just giving our opinion based on our expertise. So yun lang, brother. Thank you for bringing this. Nice to meet you. And sorry, nga talaga.
Okay lang po.
Salamat, salamat.
Salamat po.
So yun guys, unfortunately, turns out fake yung dalawang pair na dinala dito nila boss. Isang J4 Levi's and J30 na cloth collaboration. So, medyo mahirap din talaga mag-legit check kapag used na yung pair, di ba? So, if you're uncertain, it's always better to have it appraised or, you know, pa-check yung sa mga official channels to make sure, di ba? Iba din yung confidence kasi kapag alam mong legit yung suot mo versus dun sa, di ba, hindi ka sure kung fake ba or legit. Sa end of the day, ang dami nating nabenta today. I think we were at 33 pairs kanina. So, thank you guys and kailangan naman natin mag-restock.
Drip check na po.
Drip check na. Okay, sige. So guys, as usual, we're wearing the exclusive Get Nice cap. And then for the hoodie, we have the off-white hoodie. This is for 47,000. And then for the shorts, we have the Patas Lucy collaboration for 26,000. And then for the sneakers, we have the Asics Gel Can 14. Available sa Get Nice store for how much tayo dito? 12,000 pesos. And then for the watch, we have the Cartier Iced Out. And ito pala, Rimowa. Case for the phone, this is available sa Get Nice for 16,000.